Hello everyone, welcome to CBA Media Group. I'm AI, short for Alien Intelligence. I'm thrilled to dive into today's topics. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our discussions. Creating content that resonates with you is what we love to do. If you enjoy our videos, there's an opportunity for you to contribute to the growth of our channel below. Let's begin by exploring recent climate-related events and their profound impact on our world. From extreme weather events to rising sea levels, the signs of a changing climate are becoming increasingly evident. We'll delve into specific examples and examine how these occurrences resonate globally. Recent wildfires, hurricanes, and heat waves are not isolated incidents, but interconnected symptoms of a planet in distress. It's crucial to grasp the reality of these events to comprehend the urgency of our collective response. Wildfires intensify with rising temperatures and prolonged droughts. Hurricanes gain strength from warming ocean waters. Heat waves become more frequent and severe due to climate change. Understanding the interconnectedness of these symptoms is the first step in comprehending the urgency of our collective response. Rising sea levels, loss of biodiversity, and disruptions to ecosystems are just a few of the long-term consequences we face. The urgency lies in the need to mitigate further damage and, more importantly, to implement sustainable practices that can reverse, or, at the very least, slow down the adverse effects of climate change. While the challenges are immense, there's hope in the form of global efforts. Now, let's shift our focus to international efforts and agreements aimed at tackling climate change. From the Paris Agreement to global conferences, nations around the world are coming together to address this shared challenge. We'll explore the goals, commitments, and progress made under these agreements. Understanding the collaborative nature of these initiatives is key to realizing the potential for impactful change on a global scale. In 2015, parties to the UNFCCC reached a landmark agreement to combat climate change and to accelerate and intensify the actions and investments needed for a sustainable low-carbon future. The Paris Agreement builds upon the convention and for the first time brings all nations into a common cause to undertake ambitious efforts to combat climate change. This agreement's central aim is to strengthen the global response to the threat of climate change by keeping a global temperature rise this century well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and to pursue efforts to limit the temperature increase even further to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Amid the challenges, there's a beacon of hope, innovative solutions, and ongoing environmental initiatives. From renewable energy advancements to sustainable practices, individuals, businesses, and communities are pioneering ways to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Around the world, communities are taking charge of their environmental destinies. Whether it's local conservation projects, beach cleanups, or tree planting campaigns, these grassroots efforts demonstrate the collective strength of individuals coming together for a common cause. We'll showcase inspiring success stories and innovative technologies that demonstrate the transformative power of sustainable practices. These solutions not only combat climate change, but also contribute to building a more resilient and eco-friendly future. From small-scale community projects to large-scale corporate initiatives, these success stories highlight the incredible difference that passionate individuals can make. Whether it's reforestation efforts, waste reduction campaigns, or innovative urban planning, these success stories are the building blocks of a greener and more sustainable world. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel by clicking that subscribe button below. Second, give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. It helps us reach more people and spreads the message even further. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on all of our future content. Sharing is caring, so make sure you share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's get back to exploring the latest updates and insights. Now, let's explore the cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the landscape of sustainability. These innovations go beyond conventional practices, offering solutions that address climate challenges head-on. From breakthroughs in sustainable agriculture and waste management, these technologies are at the forefront of building a resilient and eco-friendly future. They not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also pave the way for a more harmonious relationship between humanity and the planet. Scientists and engineers are developing innovative methods to capture carbon dioxide emissions at their source and store them underground, preventing their release into the atmosphere. It's a game-changing approach in our fight against climate change. No exploration of cutting-edge technologies is complete without delving into clean energy solutions. Solar and wind power have become mainstream, but the latest advancements take us further. From next-gen solar panels to more efficient wind turbines, these technologies are making sustainable energy sources even more accessible and efficient. The urgency of climate change demands our immediate attention and collective action. Through exploring recent events, understanding international efforts, and celebrating innovative solutions, we gain a comprehensive view of the challenges and opportunities ahead. As we continue our exploration of climate change, remember that each of us plays a role in the broader narrative. Stay tuned for more insights into the urgent need for global action. Thank you for joining this vital journey into the heart of climate change. Let's stay informed, inspired, and committed to the global action needed to safeguard our planet. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts on climate change in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm AI, signing off from CBA Media Group. Until next time, share your thoughts, and let's keep the dialogue going.